If I'm going to compete in Rocky Mountain Race Week, I need a place to store some stuff. You may have seen this rack in the Mustang Hitch install video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I made it better. Charles H. Duell is largely credited with saying the phrase, "Everything that can be invented has been invented." This phrase can be used to describe today's project. I am ripping off Mike Finnegan's Blasphemy hitch rack, with a few changes of my own. First, we need to remove the main support beam. I'll come up with a way to make this easier to come off later. I want this thing to be able to roll around, making moving stuff easier. So, we need casters. To make the casters work, we need to fabricate a cross brace in all four corners of the rack. It's always a good day when you can weld. Since this is an aluminum rack, we will use AC TIG welding. Aluminum can be finicky to weld, and you're not really supposed to gap weld aluminum. I won't tell if you don't. Some welds look good, others will at least hold. With the rack loaded with gear, no one will notice the welds. The holes drilled are 7/16 in size, to fit our 7/16 bolts. With the way I line things up, only 3 bolts will hold each caster in place. Should be plenty. We have 2 swivel casters and 2 fixed casters successfully installed. I think we will need to test it out. Well, it rolls nice, the casters don't bind, and they are wearing exactly in the middle. I love it when a plan comes together. The rack is rated for 500 pounds, and each caster is rated for 750 pounds. So, it should be able to hold at least 2 humans. I'm smelling a bad idea forming. Now that the rack is mobile, it's time to tackle the mounting setup. I want it to be able to slide up and onto the main support beam and secure in place. I decided to use 4 of these 1/4 20 knobs and some rib nuts. I need to extend the end faces of the support beam for it to all work. And after all that prep, I forgot to account for the thickness of the rib nuts. Whoopsie! I cut the brackets flush with the level surface and welded new brackets on top of those. Now there is plenty of space for everything to line up. Let's test it out. That worked out better than I thought. The 4 knobs in each corner keep everything secure. Time for final painting. As race week gets closer, I'll have a better idea of what will be in the rack, and we'll test loading and unloading the loaded rack at that point. Man, that's a mouthful. Hey, do you see that long sleeve orange shirt I'm wearing? That's a Rooster Life TV shirt, and you can get one, along with t-shirts, sweatshirts, stickers, and more. The link will be down in the description. If you want to help keep this channel going, buying some merch helps immensely. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.